knowledge, I put fathers at fault. Cause don't get her, son, was the words of assault. The unlocked vault, lost of his purity, the mental active side of me, trying to please his father and society, dreams of education washed away by euphoric feelings of ejaculating tsunamis. So the death toll by ignorance is staggering. Relief efforts are stagnant. The Board of Education is equivalent to FEMA. Get there lately, clear the art of shell while the sinner still decomposes to the core. Because young brothers still feel that parting the thighs was taken to a promised land, not realizing if he wets her mind with intellect, he'll bathe in pools of respect and admiration. See, I want him to talk about diplomas in the same man he talks about giving it to her. I want him to grab on the high GPAs the same way he grabs onto his crotch on the block every day. I want him to increase his mental fortitude faster than he decreases his sperm count so he can reaccount for something more productive in his bank of memories. Compounded by the fact that our babies are victims of losses. Stolen educational money simultaneously reconstructing this capitalist society so that dick is the only thing he holds in their hand of value. Only feeling like superstars when they have a deep lot of baby mamas on their team. See, I want them to hold on to these words like their greatest wet dreams. Take their tongue and embellish the flavor, then monogamy with education will have them busting open situations with intellectual conversations so young sisters no longer have to worry about the size of these dudes' loins. How brothers like that can impregnate the world with peace.